Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. It is the What's Live at 5 day because it's Friday and I do that every week. So I'm going to be telling you about 10 items that are going live in my eBay store at 5 p.m. Central Time. And this week, guess what? It's silver, can you tell? I'm dressed all silver. I have a silver wig. I absolutely love dressing up and I love doing these themed sales. So today I'm going to be doing not just any silver, but I have 10 pieces of jewelry that are Silpada. So all the items I'm showing today are Silpada brand. And just for those who haven't tuned in before, this is going to be items that are going for sale in my eBay store at 5 p.m. Central. This video will come out about a half hour before, somewhere in there, a half hour before 5 p.m. Central Time, so you can, if you wanted to go buy something, you'd have first dibs. And also, you get a coupon code for 25% off. So you get first dibs, you get 25% off. The prices are amazing, especially if you use the 25% off code. It's just crazy. So if you love Silpada, you are in the right place. I love Silpada personally. This is not all the items I have of Silpada. I have a lot more. There's some I have to list. Sorry. There's wildfires in Canada and the smoke is in our city. You can't even see the street hardly. Anyway, so silver. I have a silver wig on today. I had to laugh because I thought, oh, it'll be silver. And it's really more like kind of gray hair. But I don't think I'll ever have this haircut, but I kind of like it. It's kind of fun. It's so neat and tidy. Us with curly hair don't understand how you can have, like, I use all the best products. I do all that, you know what, some curly hair is just curly hair. You curly hair gals know what I'm talking about. All right, anyway, I've got this sparkly sleeve here, which is silver. I've got my silver wig, and I have silver lipstick on, and I'm also have a little silver eyeshadow going here, and look at that. So yeah, I am a silver gal today to represent all the silver for Silpada. All right, so let's get on. I've got all different things. It's not just one kind of thing. I'm not going to be showing it heads down, but I do have tools to show you so you can see it better. So anyway, the code for this week for 25% off is the same as last week. By the way, thank you to everyone who bought last week. I did sell quite a few of my items. Not quite a few. I think I sold about half. I don't even know, but I was happy that people were taking advantage of the coupon code. So thank you for that. The coupon code is it Steph Style? I think it's just, it'll be on the screen, but I think it's Steph Style. It's the same as it was last week. That code is good through July 29th. If you see something else in my store that you like, 25% off anything in my store. I have 600 items in my store. So you might find something you like. Also, if you combine shipping in my eBay store, if you put more than one item in your cart, it will automatically calculate it if they're both from my store. It'll automatically calculate the combined shipping. You'll get reduced shipping, quite a bit reduced. All right, let's get into this. I'm so excited. I love Silpada. I remember back in the day, I would have parties. I would go to parties. Silpada was the primo, the best. I still love it. The quality is amazing. If you find a 30-year-old piece of Silpada, it might have a little tarnish, but it'll still be good. Like, I have my favorite pair of earrings. I was gonna wear them, but you can't really see them with this hair anyway. All right, the first item we are gonna show is, and by the way, all these items, every single item is linked in my description for this video. So, or you can just go to my eBay store and click on and search for Silpada, but easier if you just go to the description of this video. The first item is an absolutely beautiful necklace. All of these items are stamped Silpada, by the way. They're not just, they're all stamped Silpada. They have Silpada name on them. And they have the cute little Silpada charm. All right, the first item is this beautiful sterling silver. It's got a cute little swirl on it, kind of engraved on it, as you can see. And then it's Goldstone, and it's sterling silver. It's a chain necklace. It's absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I think, you know, the lighting in here is not doing justice to how beautiful this is. Maybe you can see it a little bit better further away. It's really shiny, and it's got that little, it's in excellent condition, and little beads are Goldstone. So that one is, it's a Goldstone and sterling silver box chain necklace. The price is $36. And with your 25% off, it's $27. Not too bad. You get a good discount there. And it's sterling, and it's also Silpada, so where can you go wrong there, right? All right, the next item is a pair of earrings. And this one, if someone doesn't buy this, I'll be shocked. But this is Silpada, and they are Smoky Quartz, and then the top part is sterling silver. Look at that, it's got kind of an engraved design in there. They're in excellent condition. They are, oops, they're post, I'm going to show you the back. They're post backs. They're not, some people, I can't wear wires because it's a long story why, but my hole in my earring lobe is too low. Anyway, those are Silpada. They've got that cute kind of faceted smoky quartz. Absolutely beautiful. This is the #1 thing that I think will sell, but we'll see. You never know. You never know. All right, $25 is the price for those. And guess what? $18.75 with your 25% off. $18.75. Look at how pretty they are. So that is the second item. There are some really ornate necklaces in here. If you like, you know, to snazz it up a little bit, then you're in the right place. It's fun how Silpada has sterling silver, and then they almost always have natural stones as well. You don't see a lot of plastic or things like that with Silpada. You can tell I'm a fan, right? All right, the next necklace is, I don't have the lengths right with me here. You can see them though in the listing very easily by going to the listing. The next item is sterling silver green pearl Adventurine Jade multi-strand necklace. Here it is. Isn't that pretty? It's just all stones. Yeah, I need some better lighting. I'll try and work on that by next video. But green, because this really doesn't do justice to how vibrant and pretty this is. So it's sterling silver. It's got Adventurine. It's got jade and pearls. Super pretty. Clasps at the back. Here's a really good. You can kind of see the little. That is the Silpada charm you see hanging down there. That is the Silpada charm. All right, so that is that necklace. Yeah, it's just a really, I wouldn't really call it a statement necklace, but it's really pretty. All right, the next one is another necklace. And this is Silpada Turquoise Howlite Abalone necklace, sterling silver with a teardrop pendant that is also sterling. I put in turquoise and Howlite because I really didn't know if it was real turquoise. And I still don't know. It really does look like, I can't believe that Silpada would not use real turquoise, but I'm not guaranteed. I don't know for sure. That's why I put that in there. However, it sure looks like real turquoise. Look at that. And it's got that pretty pendant, and the pendant has a hole in it. So it's a teardrop pendant with, I think it's hammered. Yeah, it's hammered silver. You can kind of see that. Really pretty. The stones here kind of look like, I don't know what those are. Maybe agate? Those look like agate. But this is a really pretty one. So that one, the price is $34. So with your 25% off, it's $25.50. By the way, if you have troubles using the coupon, just let me know and I'll figure it out. I'll either pull it from eBay and sell it to you, or whatever. But if you want something, just don't let it go just because you don't want to. I get it. Okay, it's no problem. No problem at all. All right. Next up is another necklace, and if you like coral, this is the one for you. All right, let's just make sure I can. I can't remember how this goes. Okay, there we go. All right, so it is a black leather necklace. It's black leather, and then it's got a sterling silver part at the bottom, kind of like a, I don't even know what you call it. It's super more shimmery in real life. And then this is coral. This I don't know. I would say stone, but it's not really a stone. Coral is not really a stone. I think it's pressed coral that they use for this. Really pretty, good condition. Here is the back with the little charm. And the name of this one is Cardinal Rule. So if you look online, you'll be able to find this. More expensive than the one I'm selling, that's for sure. Coral sterling silver in a leather chain is 17 inches. It's very pretty. In real life, it's super pretty. It's that thick. And this thing is movable. This thing is movable. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but you can go like that if you want it as a choker, I suppose. But anyway, that is the necklace. Super, super pretty. That one is $28 with your discount, $21. So, all right. Next up is, if you like marcasite, This one is a sterling silver, marcasite, and pearl dangle earrings, or drop earrings, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to put them a little bit closer so you can see them better. Super pretty. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? So at the top is a little, what I think is a cubic zirconia. In the middle, it's marcasite. And then, of course, dangling down is the cute little real pearls. They're dainty. They're adorable. They're in good condition. Get you up close a little better there. Aren't they pretty? And they are pierced earrings, and they're not hooks. They are posts, which is always good for people like me who got their ears pierced in first grade, and the person did kind of a lousy job, but anyway, what you gonna do? All right, the next one is another leather necklace kind of thing. And this one it's a double strand leather. And the name of this one is, it's a black leather sterling silver bronzite. I don't know exactly what bronzite is, but it's this stone. It's, that is a brown, obviously. I don't know what, and then it's got sterling silver in the middle and at the bail. And then on the back, it's got silver hardware as well. It's super pretty. If you like brown, and it's, fall's just around the corner, we don't want to really think about that yet. I sure don't. But anyway, there it is. It's super pretty. All right, that is the bronzite necklace. That one is kind of rare, so if you like it, snap it up. $28 is the price, $21 with your coupon. And it's really smooth and pretty in real life. Again, it's kind of hard to show when I don't have great lighting in here right now. It's because of I usually don't have bad lighting, but these bonfires in Canada, I've been clearing my throat, and it's just crazy. All right, next up is my favorite thing in this whole sale today. And this is a toggle clasp bracelet, size 7. And it's these multi-stone cube. They're all real stones, and they're in cubes, and they're surrounded by sterling silver hardware. It's so pretty. Super expensive when you buy it on eBay. Most of these items, probably all of them, are retired, so they're not really making them anymore. I just am such a super fan of Silpada. All right, there you go. That is that bracelet, size 7, and that is $42. With your coupon code, $31.50. That is a little bit, is it adjustable? No, it's not adjustable because it's that kind of a clasp. You can't just clasp it anywhere. You got to have the hole for it. So that is that bracelet. Only 2 left, which makes me sad because I could talk about Silpada all day long. Anyway, the next one up it's called Hailstone Glass and Hematite 5-strand necklace. It is stunning. It's absolutely stunning. If you have a wedding to go to, if you have a special event you have to dress up for, sorry, this is the necklace for you then. I should just keep this. It's so beautiful. I should be wearing this. It goes with my outfit. Look at this thing. I'm just going to kind of go like this so you can see the sparkle. Look at that. It's so pretty. It is so sparkly. And 5 strands, another one that you don't find very often. And I'm just going to also kind of go like this and bring it up here. Look at how pretty that is. It shimmers, it sparkles, and it's got the little, of course, the little Silpada tag in the back. So see how that sparkles? And we don't even have very much sun because it's covered up by smoke from the fires. All right, that is gorgeous. That one is $38 with your coupon code $28.50. Not bad, not bad. By the way, I'm going to try this week to keep a tally at the top. I'm going to post it and pin it at the top of this list, at the top of the comments, saying which items have sold and have not sold. So if you check in live time, you have to, if you're watching, you have to get out and get back in to make sure it's live time. But as things sell on eBay or otherwise, I will keep that list updated. The last item is absolutely stunning. I saw a friend of mine a couple weeks ago at a party, and I said, oh, I have those earrings for sale on eBay right now. And they are these absolutely gorgeous sterling silver pearl earrings. Silpada pearl button frame square earrings, 925 silver, and hook backs. They're very sturdy, by the way. They're not just the regular hook backs. They're extra thick and sturdy. There's a pearl in the middle, and then surrounding it is sterling silver. Really pretty. Just kind of like not too overstated, but still, they're just really pretty and dainty. I love them. They're $44, and with 25% off, they're $33. So that is the sterling sale. And you know what? I think I'm going to keep wearing this wig anytime I have a silver sale. I have so much sterling silver at my house. I don't know what I'm saving it for, but you know, I still don't know what I'm saving it for. I'll tell you someday if I figure it out. But I might have another sterling sale, not just Silpada, but other sterling. So anyway, again, if you have questions or anything, mystuffstyle@gmail.com. Send me a note. Otherwise, you can send me a note on eBay too. I'll get back to you out there. I'm very responsive. So again, Steph Style is the coupon code for the 25% off. I super appreciate you watching today. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. It's free. Just click on the subscribe button. All right. Have a wonderful day.